Hey guys, this is Nitish from Aerotech, and in this video I'll be unboxing these earphones which are from Syska, and I bought these earphones offline and the pricing of these earphones is around 400 rupees as mentioned over here. And let's see what else is mentioned on the box. We have the product features, that is amazing sound quality, TPE flat cable with mic, compatible with Samsung smartphones, and extra silicone ear tips. And below that we have the specifications listed out, and on the other side we have the cable length mentioned as 1.2 meters, and the plug is 3.5 mm silver plated, and the weight is around 13 grams. Okay, then what else? Okay, on the other side we have the model number, that is H012, and on the top it is mentioned that it is for Samsung smartphones. But trust me guys, it is nothing like that, because I tried these earphones with many other smartphones and I got the same audio output quality in almost all these smartphones that I tried. It is not only for Samsung, you can try it with many other smartphones also. And here we have the microphone with pause and play button. Okay, now let's quickly unbox it. Let me open the box first. Okay, so these are the extra silicone ear tips that we get with the box. Okay, let me keep them to the side first. Okay, so these are the earphones, and this is the 3.5 mm silver plated plug, and here we have the Syska branding. Okay, let me remove the earphones out of it. Okay, so these are the earphones and we have the Syska logo on it. Okay, and the build quality seems to be good actually. Though these earphones are made out of plastic, the build quality really seems to be good. And this is the flat cable, and here we have the mic with the pause and play button on it, and behind it we have the Syska logo and Syska branding on it. Okay, and another important thing is that these earphones will feel comfortable in your ears, because these earphones have those soft earbuds on them, and these earphones will easily fit into your ears, and it'll be a pleasant experience. And that's it for today guys. If you end up liking this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.